Hey, what do it, y'all? Swish Entertainment putting y'all on to all y'all favorite rappers and celebrities. Like, before starting these little favorite done for y'all. First, please like, comment, subscribe to this video, hit the notification bell as well. That'd be great search for Shane, put y'all on to this story. Now, today we'll be talking about the rapper known as Soulja Boy. As yesterday on Tuesday, he took stand for a civil trial, denying allegations that he had raped, imprisoned, and assaulted a woman that used to live with him and had allegedly worked as his personal assistant. During the court trial, which was held at Santa Monica courtroom, Soulja Boy had told jurors that he had not dealt any harm to the plaintiff, which is a woman going by the pseudonym of Jane Doe that had filed the lawsuit. Jane Doe had alleged that she was abused by the rapper Soulja Boy when she had reported him to the authorities in the month of December in 2020. However, the Ventura County District Attorney's Office had made the decision to decline pressing any criminal charges. The office would attribute their decision to there being an insufficient amount of evidence to meet the standard of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Yet this woman, going by the fake name of Jane Doe, was allowed to file a civil lawsuit in the month of January in 2021. Jane Doe had recently testified, specifically on the day of March 19th, speaking on a 2-year duration of having to endure abuse in a 2-year relationship, which she claims had begun early in the year of 2019 and had spoken on an incident that had taken place in the month of February that year. Jane Doe had conveyed to jurors that she was raped by the rapper in a bathroom during a police raid in the month of February of 2019. Jane Doe next alleged that Soulja Boy then had subjected her to relentless emotional and physical torment during their tumultuous relationship. Jane Doe had also revealed that the two of them had experienced consensual intimacy together on various incidents, but she would go on to claim that the rapper had often berated, beat, and sexually assaulted her. Soulja Boy, when questioned, had spoken on the day that this had allegedly occurred in the month of February in the year of 2019. Soulja Boy had conceded to having sexual intercourse with this woman, saying, "I asked her if she wanted to have sex, and she was engaged in it. She didn't push me or say stop, nothing like that." Jane Doe's attorney continuing forward would question Soulja Boy, saying, "Did you ever hit the plaintiff in the mouth, bust her lip, and force her to give you oral sex?" Soulja Boy in response would say, "Of course not, and that's a disgusting allegation. It sounds crazy to me. I did not do that." So while the rapper had conceded to experiencing intimacy with Jane Doe, he had denied allegations that he had forced her to commit sexual acts that she did not agree upon. Soulja Boy was also in denial that he had ever employed this Jane Doe. However, security camera footage will prove that he had referred to her as his assistant in the month of January in the year 2019. Reporter Megan Cunniff had also made an appearance at Soulja Boy's Santa Monica court trial. She had put out posts on her ex profile saying, "I'm back in Santa Monica today for more testimony from Soulja Boy in his civil sexual assault trial." Legal name DeAndre Cortez Wade, Soulja is accused of abusing a woman who lived in his home and was paid to roll blunts for him. She testified extensively earlier in trial. Soulja Boy testifies he was very emotional when the woman didn't hang out with him on April 20th. April 20th is a weed holiday. We call it 420. We would always talk about this holiday like leading up to it. So a key detail provided by Megan Cunniff that could hold a point of interest is that she refers to this woman as somebody that rolled blunts for Soulja Boy while working under him. Soulja Boy's trial that he is dealing with concerning his ex-girlfriend is expected to continue in Santa Monica at this point. But yeah, that's cool. Cap out what y'all think in the comments. What do you all think of Soulja Boy's testification that he had given? Did you hear any details that you were unexpecting of or were surprised to hear? Why do you think Soulja Boy had denied ever having employed this woman, despite him being heard on video footage referring to this woman as his assistant in the month of February in the year of 2019? And to cap that out, do you all believe this anonymous woman had specifically worked for Soulja Boy to roll his blunts while living in his residence? Let all that be known in the comments, y'all. That's gonna do it. I'm out.